Why you want to play? Huh? You want to play zoo? Okay, let's go. Ape, sit down here. Watch me. So, why you don't move? Why you don't no silent no here? Huh? Why you want to play? Huh? This is I make food for you. Why you don't listen me? Why you run up, run down? No. Learn so. I don't like you playing. Listen me. Listen me. I cooking food for you. Huh? So. I don't listen me. I don't like you do that. No. If you want to, if you need, follow me. Keep your hand, keep your leg, and look at me. Look at me, yeah. No. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me for me. ET said for you. Look at me, so look at me. I don't like you do that. Listen me, yes. No. No, to do no. You angry me, right? Just me keep your leg. Huh? You angry me, right? I'll keep your leg. Keep your leg. Why? I don't like you. You keep your leg. Your leg is so bad. No, you don't know. Keep one leg. Okay. Follow me. Yeah. Let's go. Watch. For learn. From me. Oh, no more. No more. Why you move? Huh? So, why you move? Why you move? Okay, extra carrot. No, don't do that. I don't like you do that. Huh? No, keep your leg.